Hi, scholars. Have you ever heard the song, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a chicken? Well, that song, we love that song because it reminds us of all the different animals that we can find on the farm. But did you know that animals provide lots of helpful things for us? We're going to learn about that with this book called All Kinds of Farms. Now, during this book, we're going to learn a new strategy. That strategy is called crash the sounds together. Sometimes we have a really long word, and it's challenging for us. But if we split it into two pieces and then crash the sounds together, we can read the word. I'll show you what I mean. Here's our table of contents. What lives on farms? Page 4. What grows on farms? Page 8. What lives on farms? I look at this picture. I think this is going to be a picture about cows and milk because I've seen cows before and I've drank milk before. Let's see if I'm right. Cows live on farms. Milk comes from cows. Oh, wow, that's a long word. That is a challenge. Oh, I know. I can split it into two pieces and crash the sounds together, and then I can read it. Let's try this first part. P, P. Okay, let me look at this second part. Pull, pull. So I have P and I have pull. Let's crash the sounds together. People, people. Oh, like you and I, like people. Oh, okay. People drink milk. Okay. Well, I look at this picture, I see cheese and I see butter. Oh, there's that word again. The two pieces. People. 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 I crash the sounds together. People make cheese and butter from milk. Cool. Sheep live on farms. See all these sheep here. Look at all these different things we can make from the sheep. Wool comes from sheep. There's that word again. People make, that's another pretty long word. Let me split it into two pieces and then crash the sounds together. Clo, clo. It's that first part, clo. And then the last part kind of has a sight word in it, like thus, thus, thus. It's almost like the sight word the. So that helps me. So I have clothes, clothes. I crash the sounds together. Clothes, clothes. Oh, like what we're wearing right now. Clothes from wool. And now I'm going to read it again so I can read a nice fluid sentence. People make clothes from wool. Nice. Look at all these chickens and eggs. Chickens live on farms. Eggs come from chickens. Ooh, here's that word I crashed earlier, but I remember it now. People eat eggs for... Wow. Let's try this first one. Bruh. And then there's that part, fist. Breakfast. Breakfast. Oh, I crashed them together. That makes sense to me. Breakfast. Oh, yeah, what we eat in the morning. Breakfast. Now let me read it again so I can make a nice, fluid sentence. People eat eggs for breakfast. That's true. What grows on farms? Apples grow on farms. People eat apples. Mm. This first word I don't know. So let me split it into two pieces. Right, starts with O, so that sound is and then I have almost a sight word there, but it has an R at the end, there. Other. Ooh, when I crash the sounds together, I get other. Okay. Other fruits grow on farms too. People eat fruits. Okay, well, look at this. I see candy, and I know that candy has a lot of sugar in it. Sugar. But I don't really know what this word is. It looks like it has sugar in it, but then it has a second part. So maybe I should crash the sounds together again. I have sugar, and then this word is cane. Cane. Sugar cane. Sugar cane. Okay, that's how sugar is made. Sugar cane grows on farms. Sugar comes from sugar cane. Sugar makes foods sweet. More crashing the sounds together. Cotton. 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 Cotton grows on farms. People use cotton to make clothes. It's another challenging word. I notice it ends in ing, and I know that sound. That's ing. Ing. But it starts with cloth. Clothing. Clothing. Oh, clothing. People use cotton to make clothing. Shirts, pants, and socks are made from cotton. All right. Well, readers, thanks for learning about all the different types of farms with me today, and for crashing two sounds together when you have a longer word and you aren't quite sure what it is when you read it. You can take one sound, then take the other sound, and crash them together to read the word.